Today's Medical Myth Busting Monday, and today we're talking about tussin and the common misconception that cough syrups just like it are any more effective than using home remedies. That's not true. Studies have shown that dextromethorphan, which is the active ingredient in tussin and other cough syrups just like it, is no more effective or just as good as using honey for the treatment of a cough. In fact, the American College of Chest Physicians actually advises against the use of over-the-counter cough medications until they've truly been shown to help as an effective treatment, especially because the active ingredient in these cough syrups carry the potential for abuse. Want to know what you should do to treat the cough from a common cold? Check out the caption for more, and remember Dr. Sarah said so.